guys, welcome to my new video. Today I'll be taking you around Chicago. It's pretty hot here today, not just by the weather, but you get the point. And we are here just for a weekend, like today and tomorrow. We just arrived yesterday. We flew in from Boston to Indianapolis and then drove to Chicago because the tickets were cheaper. And we have a lot planned for these 2 days, and now let's go. Hi guys, we are at Lou Martinis. We are at Lou Martinis, which is a very famous deep dish pizzeria in Chicago. We were actually planning to go to the Giordano's, but a lot of people suggested us to come here rather. So we are here. We'll see how the food is and we'll let you know. Right now we are just sitting here like homeless people waiting for our time to come. We're actually waiting to go in a speakeasy bar, which are like underground bars in Chicago. This one is the Timothy Twos, right? Timothy Twos, yeah. So I think we need to wait for like 20-30 minutes more. I've heard like it's really beautiful from the inside. We'll see that later. But yeah, so that's the plan. We're just waiting here. It's actually 11:30 right now. We're still very, very hungry. So yeah, let's see how it pans out.
Day 2 in Chicago. Last day for Shalaga. We are headed towards Wildberry Pancakes. Super excited. See you at Wildberry Pancakes. We are just hanging out around the cafe. And Barkha wants some photos. Meanwhile, this is the place. Really famous. See you in the next bit. Next